Mr. Edwards spent $120 in one shop and 40% of the remainder in another shop. He had 30% of his original amount of money left. Find the amount of money he had at first. Now, to do this effectively, you can actually draw a model. So in the first shop, spending was $120, and then he has something remaining, 40% of the remainder, which means 40%, we can change that into a fraction. Divided by 20, divided by 20 is 2 over 5, which means out of the remainder of 5 units, you spend 2 units at another shop. So 5 minus 2, that will be 3 units that is left. Okay, so this is at another shop. And this is at the first shop. Okay, and this is what is left. And they have mentioned that he had 30% of his original amount of money left. So what is 30%? Again, put it in fraction for ease of understanding of units. 30 over 100, simplify, 3 over 10. He had 3 out of 10 units of his money left, which is indeed true. 3 units, 3 units. Okay, if this happens to be different, then we need to make these two numbers the same. But in this case, both of these are the same, which then tells us that he will have 10 units of money originally at first. Okay, so again, he had 3 out of 10 of his money left, which is indeed correct. 3 units is left out of a total of 10. So from start to end, it's gonna be 10 units. So 10 minus 2 minus 3, that's 5 units. 5 units of money will be equals to $120. Then we proceed to find the original amount, which is 10 units. We can just times 2 on both sides. Final answer, $240. Okay, well, if you want, you can actually find 1 unit first. That's totally fine. And then you find 10 units. Or you can do it like this. 5 to 10, you multiply by 2. Do the same thing on this side as well. Final answer, $240.